Hi, I'm Mark DeFrancesco with MDF Painting and Power Washing. One of the questions homeowners ask me all the time is how long should my exterior paint job last? And the honest answer is that it depends. But in Connecticut, a professionally completed exterior paint job will often last somewhere between 6 and 10 years. Some surfaces last longer, and others, like cedar trim or entry doors that get a lot of direct sun, may need attention sooner. What makes the biggest difference isn't just the paint itself, it's the preparation. Before we ever apply a finish coat, we're cleaning the surface, scraping loose paint, sanding rough edges, replacing failed caulk, and priming bare wood, and making sure that that paint really has the best possible surface to bond to. That's what helps a paint job stand up to New England weather. And our weather is no joke. Between snow, ice, heavy rain, humid summers, intense sunlight, and then our freeze-thaw cycles, your home's exterior takes a beating every single year. If you live near the shoreline, salty air adds another challenge. The good news is there are a few simple things you can do to extend the life of your paint. One, wash your home once a year with a low PSI pressure washing. Two, keep your gutters clean and trim your shrubs away from your siding. And the third thing is inspect your caulk and your paint job every single year. This makes a huge difference. The biggest mistake I see homeowners make is waiting until the paint is actually peeling everywhere. By then, there's usually much more preparation involved and the project becomes more expensive. It's always better to catch small issues early. If you're not sure how much life your current paint has left, we'd be happy to take a look and give you an honest opinion. Sometimes all you need is a little maintenance. Other times, it's the perfect opportunity to protect your home before bigger problems develop. Good luck and happy painting.